Hello, beautiful ladies. I'm Aarti Pandey, founder of Folk Fitness, a holistic wellness enterprise. And today I'm going to talk about PCOS and the most common pill that the girls are being told to pop by their gynecologists, the hormonal pills. These pills are of 21 days, 28 days, sometimes 91 days also. So what are the side effects of these pills? What do those pills do in your system, and are they causing any more issues than they should? So let's understand about PCOS and the link of the hormonal pills. Now, PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, is an endocrine disorder, ladies, that affects 1 in every 5 women of childbearing age. Now, this endocrine system consists of glands that secrete and regulate hormones such as your male hormones, testosterone, and your female sex hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Now, women with PCOS have a hormonal imbalance that causes unusually high level of male sex hormones. Remember, the androgens. Now, this imbalance changes the way our ovaries function, and they can cause to develop many small cysts and other symptoms like missed or irregular periods, painful acne, sudden weight gain, mood swings, irritability, depression, also hirsutism, which is unwanted hair growth. If you don't know whether you have PCOS or not, in the description I have given a 2-minute assessment form, ladies. Just take this assessment form, and if your score is more than 5, then you must take your health in your hands and take action now. Now let's understand that when you have these symptoms or you're diagnosed with PCOS, you go to your gynecologist and she prescribes you these hormonal pills, right? The birth control pills. So what do these birth control pills do? Now, hormonal birth control pills are considered to be a combination birth control when it contains 2 hormones. What are these 2 hormones? They are usually estrogen and a synthetic form of progesterone called progestin. Now, these combination pills can also regulate some hormonal imbalances by increasing a woman's estrogen levels and decreasing the amount of testosterone in your body. Now, let's understand, guys, that ovaries का काम है estrogen और progesterone produce करना. When are you popping these pills? Ovaries are confused. They are watching estrogen and progesterone coming in your body externally, and they become lazy. Ovaries stop functioning to the optimum level. They stop producing at the optimal level. Now, please understand that PCOS is a lifestyle disorder. So, if you're going to be dependent on the medicines, you're not really working on the known, which is your body, which is your lifestyle. So, please do not listen and start popping pills. A lot of us want to take this shortcut. Why? Because it's easy, right? I pop my pills every day and I get my periods. The minute I stop popping the pills, I don't get my periods. Nobody is telling me to take the harder way, which is working on the lifestyle. Your 5 pillars: eat right, move more, sleep better, breathe in awareness, and mind free. हम इन pillars पे काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, मगर हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम pills खा रहे हैं. Please understand that when you're popping these pills, you're making your body a house, easy way of getting more and more disorders and diseases. Women who are taking these pills are more prone to type 2 diabetes. They have higher chances of cardiovascular disorders. You have higher chances of getting ovarian cancer, endocrine cancer, endometriosis, fibroids. Your body becomes more susceptible to this. Please understand that if you really needed medicines or these chemicals in your body, you would have been born with a small potli, I call it, a sack of medicines attached to you. And whenever you had a problem, you could have had that medicine. We have been born with the right organs which are required to function optimally on their own and take care of yourself. Your ovaries must function properly. For that, You need to give the right amount of oxygen to your ovaries through your breathing techniques. You must let the ovaries breathe and function properly by taking out the fat above our ovaries which are sitting there. So your extensive exercises are important. You need to understand that when you're in your deep REM, that's when the right amount of repair work happens in your body. That's when the quality hormones are produced. So your sleeping pattern has to be worked on. What are these hormones? These hormones are nothing but protein. So what you eat defines the quality of your hormones, and that's why you must eat right, you must sleep better, you must move more, you must breathe in awareness, and you must be mind free, because the stress hormone cortisol can also create a lot of havoc. So next time you're trying to pop that pill, look at the pill and say, I don't want external synthetic hormones in my body, but I'm going to work on the 5 pillars and make my body function optimally on its own, because we don't want the side effects of these pills, right? Thank you.